Hello girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today I brought vocabulary words about pets. Today we're going to learn the words to call the different pets. Before learning the vocabulary words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is My Pets, and it is now circled in blue. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red. Ready? Let's go. My pets. Dogs have puppies and cats have kittens that purr and scratch your woolly mittens. That is the reason I prefer my two mice. With tails that are long, they are quite nice. But if the kitten sees one long tail, then the mouse has to run or this tail will be done. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, I am going to introduce the vocabulary words by saying the word once, and then I am going to count up to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together. Ready? Okay. Cat. 1, 2, 3. Cat. Kitten. 1, 2, 3. Kitten. Dog. 1, 2, 3. Dog. Puppy. 1, 2, 3. Puppy. Mouse. 1, 2, 3. Mouse. You say mouse when there is one animal, so it's one mouse. Mice. 1, 2, 3. Mice. You say mice when there are two or more animals. So here there are 2 mice. Tail. 1, 2, 3. Tail. Okay, so now that you have learned the vocabulary words, we're going to read the poem one more time. Okay. My pets. Dogs have puppies and cats have kittens that purr and scratch your woolly mittens. That is the reason I prefer my 2 mice. With tails that are long, they are quite nice. But if the kitten sees one long tail, then the mouse has to run or this tail will be done. Okay, so now I have an activity for you. Look what happened to me. I have 3 pets here, but I forgot to put their faces, their eyes, their nose, their mouth, and their tails. Can you help me complete them? Okay, thank you very much. So here there is what animal is it? A kitten. Very good, a kitten. So this kitten is missing its face. Can you help me? So first the eyes. Let's say eyes. Okay, very good. And the nose. 1, 2, 3. Nose. The nose and the mouth and whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Mouth and whiskers. Very good. And finally, the tail. 1, 2, 3. Tail. Okay, so now we have our kitten complete. Very good. Now look, what animal is this one? It is a puppy. Very good. And we're going to complete it with the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and its tail. Ready? Let's go. Eyes. 1, 2, 3. Eyes. There they are. Now the nose. 1, 2, 3. Nose. The nose. And the mouth. 1, 2, 3. Mouth. Very good. And finally the tail. 1, 2, 3. Tail. Very good. So here our puppy now is complete. And our last animal, it is a Mouse. Very good. And we're going to complete it with the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Ready? Let's go. Eyes first. 1, 2, 3. Eyes. Very good. Now the nose. 1, 2, 3. Nose. Very good. The nose and the whiskers. And now the mouth. 1, 2, 3. Mouth. The mouth. And finally the tail. 1, 2, 3. Tail. Very good. Excellent. And finally, we're going to write the different names of these animals. The first one, it's a kitten. And it is K-I-T-T-E, kitten. Very good. Then the puppy. P. Let's see. P-A. P-I. Puppy. Very good. And finally, the mouse. S. Very good. Mouse. Excellent. Very good. So thank you very much. A big kiss for everybody. Bye-bye.